Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to resume building our sun. And I'm sorry that I didn't post any videos for a couple of days, and there's certainly this video. It has been a long time since I've made this world. I'm sorry. And happy New Year's everyone. It's almost 2021. And all this, crisis soon to be gone. And let's begin. And today we will be building the inner wall of our sun. So this inner wall, it could be any blocks, because that are explodable, because that's gonna be the core of the sun. And let's do a couple glowstone, because I don't care about the color, because no one will see it, and I'll give the lava more brightness. And inside the inner walls, we're gonna add the TNT. So in the next Minecraft how-to video, we're gonna add TNT. But today we're going to build the inner walls. Now let's get into it. So we're basically doing like the complete same thing as we're doing with the walls, like the outer walls, but instead of the outer wall, but it'll be inside and it'll be smaller, so it's easier. And to note, I'm on mobile. I'll soon make videos on about Minecraft PC, and it's easy on PC, because like on Minecraft you can just get the axe and then just build like from this point to like this point, wall, boom, a wall, whatever you want, boom. And you can type like some commands like 25 orange, 25% yellow. While for me, I have to use my hand, like I have to tap every single one of them. So in mobile it's hard, but on PC this is so much easier. Okay, so, and if you want your outer walls to be more like better, like more as a sun, make sure to cut the edges like I did. I know like there's some blocks that, like for this one, like I can cut it. So I'm doing that right now. I'm cutting it, but I won't cut the floor. Apparently I wasn't in fly mode. I don't care. See? Better. Fly mode. So let's find if there's any more of these things. Well, it's kind of hard because for some reason it's glitched. Hello? Game? Thank you. Nope. Well, I'm gonna do this later today, so I don't waste any of time. Let's start the wall. So it needs to be like perfect, like it doesn't have to be the same shape, because since it's the inner wall. So let's do like, but we also want to have a humongous TNT. So let's do and it will be like a rectangular shape because of my sun. So like maybe from here. Like, so I'll build a couple walls, like, to make sure. And then let's do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Make sure to make your calculations correct, so that way, they're equal. Yeah, time for this other calculation, so I have to make it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. Wait. Sorry, guys. Well, that was weird. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So it's 6 from here, 5 from there. So let me just go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is the start of our sun. So we need this to be the same height as this. As you can see, this is so much simpler than the original, like the outer walls. But if you're on mobile, your fingers might hurt a bit. Let's make sure. And just one more. Boom. And so that way I can do this once. I can like go to here and then. So I know what's the height limit. Then go to here. Boom. And if you guys find a trick that works for you, go ahead and do it. Or if you find a simpler trick and you would like to share it public, make sure to say it in the comments. And make sure to smash that like button and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And every sub counts. My goal is to reach 200 subscribers. So, and I know that's possible because in 1 year I got 120. Thank you guys for all of your subs. So I think I'm able to get 200. I believe in you guys. Let's make my dream come true. 200 subs. That's my goal right now. I'm just 80 away, so tell all of your friends, put it on Facebook, Snapchat, whatever. Just make sure, and I'll give shoutouts to everyone, to whoever subs and says that they're subs and they subbed, and I can tell if you sub. I have my ways, and yeah. So I can tell by if you say you subbed and the sub counter didn't go up, I know that you're lying. So make sure to be truthful, and I'm a really truthful guy. So I promise, I cross my heart and hope to die. If you sub and say that you comment, I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Sorry if I've been talking a lot. Sorry. Invisible blocks. Okay. We're done with the thing. Yeah, this is good. Let's admire our work. And there's just lava over there. Now, for the final part, we fill in these walls. We will fill in these walls, and yeah. Again with glowstone on PC, this is so much easier because all you have to do is like double click with an axe, like right there. And then right there, and then boom, boom, like just fill with glowstone. Done. But on here, I have to click with my bare hands, well, fingers. How long has this video been going on? 8 minutes. Okay, so I can go for a little while. Let's fill in these 2 walls and check what time, and we'll see will the video end. So a quick way, just like go up, like so. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first, a simple trick. If you want mobile, put 4 blocks here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I like both though. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Wait. Okay, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, and so on. I won't be pausing because I want you guys to see the whole thing. Oops. I know this is like a kind of boring part, but I honestly don't know what to say except like maybe again, if you want me to make a video about something you like, comment down, and if you want me to try something, like comment down like also all of these stuff. Like if you want me to make a video about like hiking or in a game, I'll see if I'm able to get the game and I'll make a video about it. And if I like it, I'll make it a series. I think. Wait, do you guys hear my fingers like tapping on my screen? Like, And make sure to watch my other how-to videos to make the sun to make sense. And again, the sun could be any shape, any color, whatever you want. Almost done. And after we fill out like the wall like this way, all we need to do is just fill out the 2 more blocks, and then we're done. Like with this wall, not the whole thing. So yeah, I'll finish the other walls off camera, like before the next Minecraft how-to video, just because this video might go for a long time if I show you the whole thing, because yeah, that's a lot. So to do this, just start with the bottom and just boop 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 boop. Up. Deep. Bop. Boop. Yay, we're done with the first part of the wall. Hello, cloud. And now let's go. Up. Out my head. So, let's do it all again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. You guys can fast forward it if you understand, or you can like leave. No, don't leave the video. Only you guys to keep watching this amazing video. See if I give you any more tips. Oh, okay. Uh-oh. New Year's 2021. New year, new life. So yeah, happy New Year's everyone. Like, I hope you guys have a good New Year's Eve. I don't know how to say it. I'm so sorry. And so I didn't post a lot of videos and like right now in winter break. I just been busy with fun. Yeah. But I'll try to post more more time, like a lot of times. I'll post a lot of videos during this break before I have to go back to school. And if you want me to make another, like, after we make the sun, If you want me to make another like Minecraft how-to video about something that you want me to try to build, type it. Also type in the comments like if you want me to build a Mario, I'll try to build a Mario. But I already know if I build a Mario or something in Minecraft, it will be horrible. But hey, I'll be learning, and then it'll be a quality, a hilariousness seeing me fail on building Mario. Not nice UI, starting from the bottom, helpful. That means, so that way you can get the blocks. And boom. So we're done with the walls, and I will finish the other 2 walls off camera after the video. And yeah, that's all you need to know about building the inner wall of your sun. And there's gonna be, and I'll tell you a way to do the roof. But next time we're gonna put the TNT and possibly we'll put the TNT. The TNT will just be random, and then make sure to do the wall, and yeah, then the walls. I mean the roof, the lava, boom, explosion. Done with the series. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Slap the like and like and subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell and share this video with all of your friends. And yeah, that's little me. And before I go, I wish you guys another Happy New Year's. So yeah. So let's one sec, try to guess what I'm trying to figure out. What I'm trying to get. Okay, so guys, Happy New Year's, Happy America. Whoa, boo, boo, boo. Okay, bye guys, bye.